SWAPA is a pilot association, so we support pilots for Southwest Airlines. We have a collective bargaining agreement, and we have negotiations that happen every 8 to 10 years. We need to be a data-driven organization and have data not just on our pilots, but on scheduling and on the airline business.
It's very hard to build applications or make any progress, do any kind of innovation when your environment is so unstable.
When Presidio came on board, that was one of the first things they addressed. We were having 70, 80% uptime and having to fight fires and really weren't able to do anything but take care of problems and bugs and errors and just keeping the lights on.
Presidio knew so much about Azure, researched everything, found our bottlenecks, and solved them.
And made it so that we're not having to just deal with fires all the time. We can actually solution, we can actually innovate.
In today's market, to find a true end-to-end ITO partner, the help desk services that Presidio has, the infrastructure that they have, the security, those are annies to the table. You can't do development work if you don't do the other three.
The biggest opportunities from a technology standpoint are around AI and data modernization. Being a data-driven organization requires you not only just to be able to query something, but to be able to use your data and to analyze it and to find threads that you didn't know existed. The Microsoft solutions that Presidio's helped us deliver are mainly focused around Dynamics and Power Platform. We use Dynamics in several different business units, case management, and we've augmented and customized it to the business unit's need. Great platform, helps us keep track of day-to-day business and also allows us to create a data set that we can use for analytics down the road.
So once we start building those analytics, having the business intelligence for our negotiators, say, where do we start? What do we fight for? What do we need to prove to the company to win any particular argument? All of that is absolutely essential.
We're actually delivering on projects that the business needs.
I think IT now is seen less as a cost center and more of a business partner. And that's truly, in my mind, the goal of IT as a business service.
I don't worry so much about the technology and the ability to do these things because Presidio partnering with us, they have the experts in all these fields and they help us make these things happen.